this section, we're going to be talking about offloading your CNC machine. When your MultiCam arrives, it will usually arrive on a flatbed trailer, and you're going to want to know a few things in advance. Most of all of our machines have side forklift tubes on the machine or its sections to easily allow the machine to be offloaded from the side of the trailer. Most of our machines weigh between 2,500 and 9,000 pounds. So you're going to want to make sure that you have a rated forklift for about 1.5 to 2 times that weight. Your exact machine weight will be provided to you during the sales and ordering process. So make sure you know what the rating of your forklift is. For example, this one here is rated for 15,500 pounds and would be limited to lifting about a 10,000 pound machine. Another consideration is for you to consult the machine dimensions from your machine layout drawings against the opening that you will be receiving your machine in. Make sure that there's enough room to safely get your machine offloaded and into your facility. Another consideration before your machine arrives is the condition of your unload area, as well as all that's going to be involved getting your machine into its final location. If your concrete is in good condition and flat, then you have a good situation for unload. However, if your unload area has gravel, lots of potholes, or is at a steep incline, you may want to consider hiring an industrial machine mover or rigger. A rigger can provide you the right forklift size. He can help overcome those poor unload conditions, as well as things like getting the machine into a crowded facility, getting it around corners. Also providing things like industrial skates, extra long forks, and all the things that are necessary to get your machine safely into its final position.